food industry is going through a very rapid change. Our research shows that kitchens are now getting automized with efficient machines. Rotipro launches India's first innovation, high-quality standardized roti making machine, Rotipro. Save energy, be energized. Top features of Rotipro: speed. In 1 hour, 700 rotis or tortillas are cooked. Energy saving. In 1 hour, the electricity consumption is just 1.5 units. Gas consumption, it is just 1 kg. Money saving. Reduces 90% of your labor cost. 1 year hassle-free international warranty. 24/7 customer support. Ask for free demo now. Call on +91 720 20 21 999. You can email us at info@rotipro.in. You can even visit our website www.rotipro.in.
Hi everyone, I'm Sri Radhe. Today I'm here to demonstrate how you can use Rotipro introduced by Multipro. Well, this is quite an innovation in the automatic food industry in terms of roti making. So let's get started. Step number 1. Plug in the Rotipro into an electrical socket as well as a gas connection. Step number 2. Wait for a few minutes. Let the roasting plates and the dough pressing plates heat up. Step number 3. You can now put the dough balls right from this small section on top of this machine. Soon, the pressed tortillas are going to move automatically towards the roasting plates. Step number 4. The pressed tortillas are then going to move from one plate to another plate while simultaneously flipping multiple times in order to ensure the perfect amount of roasting. Step number 5. Soon you will see the soft, thin and the completely puffed rotis coming out of the Rotipro one by one. And that's it. Your rotis are now ready. There are so many cool features of Rotipro. We can adjust the gas flow of the 4 individual roasting plates by using the 4 individual gas regulators. This ensures that you get that perfect puff in your rotis and chapatis. The electrical system of Rotipro is really easy to operate. Rotipro is made up of a very heavy-duty steel body which ensures that the machine has a long-lasting life and is very robust. Rotipro has graded roasting plates, which means it saves your electricity as well as the gas energy. It has reduced preheating time, which once again saves your electricity and gas energy. Rotipro has improved dough ball pressing design plates, which leads to 0% wastage. It has specially treated dough ball pressing plates, which ensures that the machine has a long-lasting life. In Rotipro, you can even control the thickness of the rotis as per your taste. Rotipro has specialized food-grade non-sticky coating as well as specialized lubricated bearings to ensure that there is no contamination of oil with your food. Rotipro has a toughened glass cabinet which prevents heat loss during the process of making your tortillas. It also has a very tough fireproof cabinet top which ensures that your energy is conserved as well as you are safe from the fire hazards. It has highly specialized Italian motors which work very smoothly in the hot environment. So what are you waiting for? Get your free demo. You can call us on +91 720 20 21 999. You can email us at info@rotipro.in. You can even visit our website www.rotipro.in.